how to make GIFs play in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to add GIFs to your Google Slides and make it more interactive? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then search for GIFs that you want to add to your Google Slides. And then just tap on the GIF that you want to add. I want to add this cat one. Then tap on visit. Now, once the GIF opens up, you just need to tap on copy link beside it, or you can even download it if you want. And if you hit copy, you can go back to your Google Slides, and then now to insert it, go to a slide and then tap on insert in the ribbon bar. Now tap on image. Now if you had downloaded it, then you can upload it from computer, but if you have copied the link, then go to by URL and then just tap on Control V to paste it. And then as you can see, insert image option is there. Tap on it and then the GIF will be inserted in your Google Slides. You can just increase or decrease the slide by dragging it, and then you can place it anywhere of your choice. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.